guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jen and I would love to have you subscribe and have you as a part of my YouTube family. Today is the third video on spring cleaning in the kitchen, and I am going to be cleaning my glass stovetop today. So I am super excited about sharing that with you guys. Before I show you guys that, I thought that I would do another thing about what I'm wearing today, because I love fashion and I love spring this time of year, putting different things together, having colorful things to wear. So I just thought I would give you guys a little look at what I'm wearing. Right now I have on a denim jacket just because it's kind of cold outside and my shirt is sleeveless. I am going very boutique today because I have on a skirt that I bought at a local boutique. I think it's great to support your local boutiques. It has this pink stripe right here, which is very springy. The skirt is high-waisted and has elastic, so it's extremely comfortable. Although it looks like I'm dressed, I am actually dressed, but yet comfortable. For my purse, I am just carrying a clutch that I purchased from a local boutique as well. So I hope that you guys like this spring outfit. So in today's video, I am using baking soda, hot soapy water, and towels to make my glass stovetop shine like new. To clean my glass top stove, I'm going to be using the following things. I have 2 cleaning towels, dish detergent, baking soda, and a mixing bowl. My glass stovetop is a hot mess. I start cleaning my stove by applying a generous layer of baking soda to the stovetop. I wanted to make sure that I covered the surface as well as possible. Then I put on some gloves and got some really hot soapy water and soaked my towels in the soapy water. To prevent excess water, I got as much of the extra water out of each towel as possible before I placed it flat on the stove. I ended up adding an extra towel in there as well, and I set my oven timer for 15 minutes because that is the amount of time that I want the baking soda to sit with the towels on top. After 15 minutes, I removed the towels, and I had a baking soda residue that I used to wipe down the stovetop, and everything came up so easily. The only part I had to use elbow grease on was the front burner where there was a stain, and I was able to actually get it up, and I just made sure to use some hot water just to rinse any extra residue off. Then I used a 7th generation glass cleaner to clean the top of my stove. I removed my knobs, I cleaned under the knobs, I cleaned the knobs themselves and put them back on. Then to add some extra shine, I just used the glass cleaner to clean my stovetop, and I think it turned out beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. So remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one.